Haloalkanes. General formula of haloalkanes. I-haloalkane bakwethu iyakhiwa yini? Yalizwa lela gama lithi alkane, which means sisana layer. I started this one. Let's take this one, simple one. This is methane. Methane, it's an alkane. Methane has a general formula of CnH2n plus 2. That is methane. That is general formula. Now, i-haloalkane iyakheka kanjani na? When you substitute endaweni ka-hydrogen ufake i-halogen. We are advised to we use X, which represent a halogen. Capital letter X can be Cl, chlorine, can be Br, can be fluorine, can be iodine, where X represents a halogen. So ngamanye amazwi, each general formula yala, we can have CnH2n plus 1 bese sithi X. That X represents halogens. Hence, in the place of hydrogen, we have a halogen. So we call this a haloalkane. Haloalkane. Why alkane? Because it has single bonds. Single bonds. Haloalkane. Asithathe la, CTCl, CTHH. This is 1 chloropropane. 1 chloropropane. Alkane. Single bonds between carbon. Tisha ngicela ukubuza ukuthi singaba nayo ama-haloalkenes. Yebo. Haloalkenes. Asithathe nje. 1, 2, 3, 4. Sengenzela nje ukuthi if i-examiner ezama ukudribula, ungadribuleki now. See, let me say BR. Haloalkene. This is a halogen. This one is an alkene. Ngoba inama double bond between carbon. Where do we start? 1, 2, 3, 4. So what is the name yala? Nomenclature. 2-bromo. The longest carbon chain in about but 1 in. 2-bromo, but 1 in. So we have that. So the general formula of haloalkanes is halogen being replaced. What about the general formula of alcohols? Ezake manje abantu sebeconsa amanzi ngoba ngikhuluma manje ngento abathi ukudla. General formula of alcohol.